Hey guys, welcome back on Triple T, and today I'll be uploading the part 1 of the Imovie tutorial that I foreshadowed in one of my previous videos, and then the part 1 will be on how to crop and edit your videos on Imovies. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, basically iMovies is a software which was created by Apple, and as I'm using a MacBook, I'm allowed to use iMovies. And the main purpose of iMovies is to make movies and edit movies in it, and also make movie trailers on it. So guys, as you may have seen in YouTube, so many YouTubers use them to make edit videos on YouTube for YouTube. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys how to edit and crop the videos. So first I'm going to upload a video. So guys, now I have uploaded my video, and the video is part 1 of this video, and that is the introduction. And as you can see, it's a bit messed up and if you look closely, you can see that in the beginning of the video, after I started screen recording, I maximized the screen. As you can see, like the dot disappears after 1 second, and then I'm gonna edit it, and then to erase it, just click on the beginning of the video and then drag it to the place where you start talking, and then here's what it looks like before. Hey guys, and here's what looks like after. Welcome back on Triple. Guys, welcome back on Triple. As you can see, now I'm gonna edit it somewhere because one part is missing. Hey guys, welcome. And as you guys can see, it's a perfect place, it's a perfect timing, and now I'm gonna edit the end part of the video. And as you can see, I did the same with the end part of the video. I have left like 5 seconds because then it helps me to like put overlays in the video, and before I told you in the picture-in-picture thing, or else then I can change the color of this video. And as you can see, it's a bit blurry, so I'm gonna make it unblur in a few minutes. So I'm gonna drag I'm gonna do the same with the other place. I'm gonna drag to the place where I end the video, and now I'm gonna play it. Use on iMovies. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. As you can see, it's a perfect timing. So now I'm gonna upload my intro, the classic Triple T intro. Ta-da! So guys, now I uploaded my intro. As you can see, the classic Triple T intro. And then after that, I'm gonna add the second part of the video which I did before. Now I'm gonna drag and drop it to the screen. And as you can see, I have saved it in my desktop. I'm gonna drag and drop it. It's 1.4 minutes long. I'm gonna shrink it down to maybe 50 seconds. Not sure. I'm gonna try it. Now I'm gonna do the same with I'm gonna drag it to the place where I start talking, and then do a preview. That's basically. So as you guys heard, there's a little bit gap in there, so I'm gonna make it in 1 second. So guys, basically, and that's the perfect timing. So I'm gonna do a time lapse and then search for the places where I need to edit, and then I need to cut the place where I need. So yeah, let's jump to the time lapse. And also guys, before going to the next time lapse, I'm going to show you guys another trick that you can do in iMovies. And if you want to cut somewhere in the middle part of this video, simply click on Command plus B. Just click on the place where you need to cut it, and then click on Command plus B. And as you can see, the video was divided. I'm going to do the same with the end part. So yeah, let's go to the other time lapse. So guys, now I'm back from the time lapse, and as you can see, I edited some parts, I cut some parts and then shrink it down to a little bit. And as you can see, Before it was 1.4 minutes and now it is 56 seconds only. So yeah, it helps you a lot in iMovies. Same with Filmora 9, but I love iMovies. The reason why it is because it's very simple and very easy to edit in. So now, and when I get into the full screen, hey guys, and as you can see, you can't see the upper part of the video. To fix that, first exit the full screen and then go to the crop part and then click on fit. And as you can see, it didn't do a big change. It didn't do much change, but it made the video look nice. I'm going to do the same with the other part, and as you can see, it made the name appear in the video clip. Now I'm going to do the same with the others, and then yeah, it's already fitted. So yeah, and now you can do the same with the others as well. I'm not gonna do the others because it takes me a lot of time to explain and do them. You can do the same with the others, and then watch my next video to learn about how to put overlays on iMovies, and also known as picture on picture. See you in the next video.